this lesson, I want to highlight something that will help you to see your design progress. And that is collecting evidence of your designs. But what does collecting evidence actually mean? It's really as simple as saving your projects and keeping them all organized, so you can look back at them at any given time. Even if you're just testing out poster designs, creating fictional brands, or painting in Photoshop. It's all worth holding onto. But why should we bother to save everything? Well, it's fun to see how you designed something a few months or even years ago, and then compare it to what you can create today. Plus, you never know which of your designs might end up being an awesome piece. Sometimes you'll create something amazing without even realizing it. Next, let's learn about the difference between learning and earning. I would say don't stress about turning your designs into money right now, just enjoy the process of growing your talent as a designer. Down the road, if you decide that it's time to make money from design, you'll be so glad you saved all those projects. Because you'll have proof that you're not just starting out, you've been at this for a while, and you've got the designs to show it. You see, collecting evidence also means you don't need anyone's permission to create. If you want to make a movie poster for fun, do it. If you want to invent a fake brand to practice making logos, go ahead. All these experiments add up. And guess what? That's all evidence of what you're capable of, even if nobody pays you to do it. Showing off your work later can also be a game changer. Imagine walking into a job interview with a laptop or folder full of designs you made over the years. Posters, logos, social media graphics, you name it. Rather than just saying, "I'm creative," you can actually show it. That's often the difference between blending in and standing out in the crowd. But hey, don't lose the fun factor. This lesson isn't about turning your creativity into some job market checklist right away. It's just a mindset tool to help you to see your own growth, and it could open up doors in the future. So that's all for this episode on collecting evidence. But hey, are you ready for the next one?